Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a video for you. I have something to show you. It's a sneak peek for this week, and I think you'll be a little surprised. It's a square drill shape, as you can tell, and here's our beautiful box, and I'll show you the image in just a second. I'm not going to make you wait forever, but let me just say that Diamond Art Club this week is doing some very beautiful, like wintry pictures. I don't know if they're all going to be wintry, but so far they've been winter, snow, beautiful things, you know? And this is no exception. Now, this is a Chuck Pinson, all right? And I think you'll be surprised that this is actually a Chuck Pinson because it is definitely not what we think of when we think of Chuck Pinson. It's called Christmas Deer, and it's beautiful, right? If it'll focus, it's beautiful. And it's just a tree, like in the middle of the woods with deer gathering around it. And it's like decorated for Christmas. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Totally not what we think of when we think of Chuck Pinson, though. We think of like the very beautiful landscapes. I mean, this is a landscape too, but you know, we think of all the water and the trees and the cabins, and you know, so this one's a little different. It is a 29 inch by 22 inch, so it's a 74 by 56 centimeter Christmas deer. There's the little sticker, beautiful. Here's their toolkit. You'll get a toolkit like this with every diamond painting you order. This is a square drill toolkit, which means, hang on, here comes our baggies. We got baggies, folks, baggies. Have a 4-placer, 2 heart waxes. There's another one here. Your squishy for your pen to make it more comfortable, your blue pen, sharp tweezers, and your boat. Everything you would need to diamond paint is right here. In a round kit, you will not get the tweezers. Those are for square drill kits only. But that is your toolkit, okay? Welcome to diamond painting. There you go. You can get started today. Just order one kit and you'll be ready to go. All right, let's get it out of the bag, which keeps it dry and clean and all that good stuff. All right, get it out. They got this soft canvas. Tarpaulin is the name of the material. It's got scalloped edges, keep it from fraying. And it is poured glue. So poured glue is a very nice glue. You don't have to worry about getting bubbles or rivers in it. It's easy to put your drills on, move things around if you need to, slide them a little bit. But yet it's very sticky, so they'll stay in place when you get them where you want them. All right, let's get everything out of the middle. There's more goodies inside. All right, here we go. Let's get to the goodies inside. Gonna be so many purples. I know this already. It's gonna have a lot of purple, right? Okay, here's our drills. It has the name of the kit on it. Christmas Deer, square, the S is for square, and then AB, all right? Oh, you saw that, didn't you? Be still, my heart. I mentioned it at the end, but let me put an insert in here as well. These kits will be available Saturday, 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 12 Eastern Standard Time. Diamond and Ruby members have 30-minute early release, and then a half an hour later, it is opened to the general public. So it's going to be fun shopping this week. Oh, goodness. Okay, here's a step-by-step instruction booklet. It has tips and tricks. There's a code in here. At this point, I should let you know that I am an affiliate with Diamond Art Club, and I do have a code for first-time purchasers. You can save some money on your first purchase. My code is 10OFF-MINDY, and it will save you $10 on your very first purchase at Diamond Art Club. And I'm gonna tell you, if you love purples and pinks, this might be the one to start with. Birch trees over here, fence in the back. Got a big old buck over here. So we got a buck and a doe and a fawn. And this tree in the center of the woods, in this clearing in the woods, is decorated for Christmas with Christmas balls, a star, and then of course you have the stars in the sky. wonder if there'll be white AB. Okay, you know, just gotta wonder. Christmas Deer by Chuck Pinson. You can put your start and end date here. You can put this in a logbook, which is what I've been doing with mine. It has 53 different colors. These are peelable labels. They're individual. They'll come off one at a time. You can put them on your containers as you kit up your drills. Yeah, let's see. Anything under 150 with Diamond Art Club is an AB. So it looks like we have 4. 141, and that is white. Yay, it's white. Of course it would be white. 133 looks to be like an orangish color or red. 126 looks to be purple, and 124, you already saw it in the bag, you guys. It's pink, 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 and it's going to be beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that sky. Ah, it's going to be gorgeous. All right, well, here we go. You ready to see it? Let's show you. Here's the legend over here. On one side, we have a legend. Let's get you up close and personal. Want to see the drill field? Here you go. Look at that. Super clear, super, super, super clear. Okay? Look at, oh, how pretty. It's going to be so pretty, you guys. It's going to be so pretty. Are you ready to see the whole thing? Okay. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. Isn't that gorgeous? Just gorgeous. Let's move you a little and we'll zoom you out so you can see the whole thing. It's beautiful. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Okay. All this snow down here. We got the big tree in the center, and that's a big tree. It takes up the middle of that. He has a big, big buck over there. Gorgeous. And then that sky, I just can't. That sky is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, right? Gorgeous. Okay. Oh, man. Love it. And then this is all decorated. You know, the deer want to celebrate, you know, the holidays too. They get a nice Christmas tree. Yeah. So, love it. Down here at the bottom is all of your information about the painting. Chuck Pinson, Diamond Art Club, the measurements, the name, Christmas Deer, all of that good stuff. All right. Well, guys, let's get into these drills. There's another legend there. You know, there's one on both sides. I like to flip my canvases around. I might be working on it this way or turn it this way. Sometimes I turn it around and I'm working on it upside down. So you never know. It's what's convenient, what fits on my table. Are you dizzy now? I just spun you around. All right. This is a whopping bag of drills, and I can hardly wait to show you all of them. 4 AB. You know, I think that's getting to be a pretty standard amount these days. 4 AB. Oh, no. Okay, let's just do it. I mean, they're by themselves in the bag. Why not? Oh my goodness, 2 bags. 2 bags of 124, and they are gorgeous. Look at that beautiful pink AB. Look at that coating on there. Make some shimmer, pick up other colors. It's gorgeous. Wow. Yeah, okay. Be still my heart. That's the first thing I saw when I took those drills out. I was like, oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Let's just get to it. Let's get to it, okay? Here's our first big strip, and we got some just beautiful colors. Okay, here's one of my favorites, 211. But look at this color right here. 3823 is the most beautiful buttery yellow. It's gorgeous. There's 209. Then we have 3 739s. They're going to go with the other guy over there, right? 3837 purple, 327 purple, couple 336s. Ooh, we got a situation. We got a situation here. It's fine. Everybody's in their own bags. We're good. 2 158s. Oh man, you guys, there's going to be so much AB in this. Look at 2 more bags of AB and the purple. Whoa, there's going to be tons of AB here. That whole sky probably is just going to be blinging because that's where all the purples and the pinks are. It's going to be gorgeous. Then we have 340 purple. Hello purple and pink. Yeah. This is my kind of kit. We got 208. We got 210. We got all my 200 family. They're all here. All present and accounted for. 3608 is beautiful. We got dark grays and some greens. 823. Oh, we have some more purples. Why not? We're not done with the purple yet. Let's throw in 155 and 333. I think they're all here, folks. All the purples have come to play today. Yep. All right. We're missing some ABs yet, so let's keep looking for those. Hang on, let's turn this strip around. Let's turn this train around. Okay, here we go. Browns, blue. Well, there's our 550 friend. Some reds and orangey reds. More browns. Another red. Yellow. Love that color. There's the white AB, folks. Not a lot of it, but if it's done right, because really, this is not white down here. This is going to be those yellows, those light yellows and tan colors down here. The white is going to be here. And let's cross our fingers that that's where it's at. I don't know where else it would be, but... And then here's the last AB, which is the orange, 133. And I'm hoping and assuming that maybe it's here in these balls on the tree. I don't know, maybe in the deer. That's kind of bright for the deer, but maybe. Let's look and find out. Okay, let's check it out. Sorry, making noise. Our symbols are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's start with 2s. Okay, no, let's start with 1. Why would we start with 2? Let's look for 1. 1 is the pink. The pink, the pink, the pink. There's no pink down here, but that pink. Okay, are you ready? The pink. It is the light pink. So it starts over here in this little patch right there. You see that patch? That's pink, pink, pink. All of this is pink AB. All right. All of this is pink AB. All of this, this. All of those big patches are pink AB. Yeah. See, I told you, lots of pink AB. The purple is 2, so I'm going to assume the 2 is up there as well. Let's see. Am I right? I don't know. Maybe not. I'm not seeing the 2s up there. Where's the 2s? Where's the 2s? Where's the 2s? 2, 2, 2, 2. Nope. They're not up in the sky. They are not up in the sky. I know where they're at. I saw them already. But there's none in the sky. Okay. So the 2s, the purple, is down here. So we got the pink in the sky, and we got the 2s down here in the snow on the ground. This is 2, 2, 2. I mean, it's literally, look. Let me show you. Look. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. See them? They're everywhere. 2s. All, even up here by the deer's legs. So the 2 is on the ground. So the purple's on the ground. The pink is in the sky. Got it? Yeah. Okay. The 4s. I think the 4s are, yes, they did it. Yes. Yay, yay. The 4s are the stars. Okay. The white. Yay. Perfect. I couldn't have asked for better with that. The last one is the 3s. Where are the 3s? The 3s are the orange. Okay. So we have some right here. Some in this one, this one, this one. So they are in the Christmas decorations on the tree. The 3s are there. So there's not very many. And that's why, because they are on the balls. Now, okay, I would probably add something to the balls, the Christmas ornaments on the tree, because, man, I want sparkle there. They do have some of that orange, but, I mean, I can just see adding some really blingy stuff to make the ornaments just pop right off that tree, right? But Perfect. Purple at the bottom, pink AB at the top, the white and the stars. I couldn't ask for better, right? It's perfect. I love it. It's gorgeous. All right, how much fun will that be to do? That will be so much fun. Okay, let's zoom you out one more time so you can get the full view again. As I bump you, I'm so sorry, but there it is. It's gorgeous. All right. I didn't even tell you when these are available. I should have told you that way at the beginning. These are available Saturday. They are available at 9 Pacific Standard Time or 12 Eastern. And Diamond and Ruby members have 30-minute early access, and then 30 minutes later, it is open to the general population at large. You guys, go check it out. It's going to be a fantastic week at Diamond Art Club because everything is just a winter wonderland, and it's, oh my gosh, I can't say enough. I've seen a few, and they're just beautiful, beautiful. So happy shopping this week, all right? Okay, thanks for watching, everybody, and have a good time with it, and I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, everybody.